serve up some waves, smash those signals with the Badminton Antenna. It's super easy to set up. Combine your love of radio with family fun. So here's the badminton set. One thing to note actually is that the badminton set comes with two 3-meter poles, so it's actually all ready to go if you wanted to make an antenna for a higher band. But anyway, they slot into the side here at a kind of a 45-degree angle, and obviously they extend up. But obviously I'm going to replace these two shorter ones with two 5-meter fishing poles. So I drilled a hole in the bottom of the 5-meter fishing pole in the first section, and then the second from last section about midway up, and then finally heat shrunk the wire to the tip. And for this kind of prototyping phase, I suppose, I'm not going to wreck the badminton set. I'm going to get some strong tape and just bind the fishing poles to the poles from the badminton set itself, just to see if the thing actually works. Anyway, here's the rough and ready version. Here's the balloon just on the ground, or choke really, and then yeah, a small garden, so that way, goes off that way. Yeah, let's connect it up to the radio and see what happens. That was a bit rough and ready. The VNA, at best it's about 3.5 on the lower end of the 20-meter band, and it's about 4. There's a SSB contest on today, so voice contacts aren't that plentiful, so I've just switched on to FT8. So we'll see how we're doing there with the antenna. Yeah, Lima Alpha 1 Charlie India from EI9 HAV. So it's a novelty antenna, Agate. I've made it from a badminton net. Yeah, 7-3 Agate. Yeah, so there's a few contacts coming in there on FT8. I have a PSK reporter on. That's kind of the spread I'm getting at the moment on 20 meters. You can see here that's the cable is going out the shed door, and I just had a look on the kind of whatever you call it, sofa thing. The only thing I would say is that the tuner in the shack is a good tuner. You know, it's pretty accommodating even with rough and ready antennas that I've tried out in the past. So the tuner does a good job. So I'm going to try, as I said, I'll try a few more bands and see how we get on. So here we go. On 15 meters, there's a contact on down there with a switch station. It does kind of tune to 15, I suppose.